So hey guys and welcome back to our channel once again. Today we are releasing our top post talk episode with AI to Surya Teja. Hey Surya Teja, can you introduce yourself by telling us something which we don't know?
I started my preparation from 8th class.
But that we already know. Tell us something unique about yourself which you haven't shared anyone yet.
I know Telugu, Tamil, but not very much of Hindi.
Okay. So as you mentioned, you started your JEE preparation from 8th class. When was the first time you heard the word JEE?
6th class.
And what is the story behind it?
Actually, my brother started preparing in 8th class for JEE.
Okay, so tell us something about your family now.
My parents are both teachers in government school, and my brother is pursuing IIT-BHU final year CSE.
Oh, nice. So according to you, what are the best books for JEE preparation?
Subject-wise, I don't know much about mathematics. Actually, we were given assignments by our teachers, and I solved only them. And physics, I would suggest H.C. Verma,
Okay.
Physics Galaxy, and a little of Rushi Kale.
Okay. And
And-
what chemistry?
Physical chemistry, I used Neeraj Kumar, and inorganic, a little bit of J.D. Lee. And organic, mostly Peter Sykes. And also,
Okay.
I suggest Atkins for physical chemistry, Peter Atkins.
Okay, okay. So I also have followed HCV for physics, and I do remember that monkey wala problem. Have you solved that? There is a figure of monkey on a tree. Yeah. So that is like some nostalgic memories. What was your daily schedule during your JEE preparation?
बिफोर अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट वाज द डेली शेड्यूल ऑफ सूर्य तेजा, आप में से कुछ लोग ऐसे भी होंगे जिन्होंने डेली शेड्यूल ही नहीं बनाया होगा, जिनके पास कोचिंग नहीं होगी शेड्यूल बनाने के लिए. अगर आप इनमें से हो तो मेरे पास ना आपके लिए एक सजेशन है. फिजिक्स वाला के 2 बैचेस है, जेई अर्जुना 4.0 एंड जेई अल्टीमेट क्रैश कोर्स फॉर क्लास 11th एंड क्लास 12th और ड्रॉप पर रेस्पेक्टिवली, जो ऑलरेडी शुरू हो चुके हैं और इसमें आप एनरोल कर सकते हो. इन सारी बैचेस में इंडिया के टॉप एजुकेटर्स होंगे जो आपको पीसीएम में परफेक्ट बनाएंगे. एक वीक में 6 दिन क्लासेस होंगे, 3 रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स पर डे. डेली प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम्स के वीडियो सॉल्यूशंस अवेलेबल होंगे एंड देयर विल बी PDF notes of every live lecture uploaded on PW app. Apart from this, scheduled tests भी होंगे planner के accordingly. The JEE Ultimate Crash Course consists of 3 parts: most important concepts, most important problems, and mission IIT Advance. इसमें से पहले 2 17 जान से पहले खत्म हो जाएंगे and latter one will be completed by JEE Advance examination. Apart from this, physics वाला has also launched JEE Ranker Test Series 2023-24, जिसमें 14 सेट्स है एंड 28 OMR शीट्स है. ये सब खरीदने के लिए आप डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिंक्स यूज कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन यूज माय कोड RUK150 फॉर एडिशनल डिस्काउंट्स. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू अवर पॉडकास्ट.
What was your daily schedule during your JEE preparation?
I started early in the morning, like 6:30 and 10:30 in the night.
Acha.
Okay, and I used to study in 2 hour slots and 1 hour of lunch break and half an hour of evening break.
Okay. And apart from studies, what do you used to do?
Chit chat with friends and playing table tennis.
Table tennis. Okay. Any other sports?
Little bit of football.
Okay. And how do you used to give time to different subjects? Similar time or?
Yes, almost equally, but a little about half an hour extra to chemistry.
Acha. To memorize the.
Yes, revising
Acha.
one more number of times.
Acha. And which was your most favorite subject among those 3?
Mathematics.
Mathematics. Okay. And during your preparation, was there any topic in which you felt very much difficulty to understand it or to solve the problems of that topic?
No, maybe.
No.
Not like very much.
Relatively, we know, like we do definitely know that you were top. You are AR too, so definitely like you knew all the topics. But relative to your own preparation, among all those topics you studied,
Yes, relatively maybe GOC I felt
GOC?
general organic chemistry.
acha,
Little confused and little difficulty I faced.
you must have put extra efforts for
Yes.
it. So what
I-
exactly you do?
I discussed with my teachers many times and revised notes and referred many textbooks for that.
अच्छा, तो अभी जितने भी व्यूवर से वीडियो देख रहे हैं उनमें से कई लोगों का एक टॉप एआई लाने का एक सपना होगा. सो व्हाट एडवाइस वुड बी you would be giving to those students who are aiming for the top rank?
Yes, I feel the most important thing for my success is my determination, I guess. So I advise anyone to be very much determined in what they want.
अच्छा,
Then it will mostly come to you.
ओके, दैट्स अ वेरी गुड पीस ऑफ एडवाइस. एंड तुम्हारे प्रिपरेशन के टाइम कुछ ऐसा समय था कि तुम्हें एकदम ऐसे डीमोटिवेटिंग फील हो रहा है, डिप्रेस्ड फील हो रहा है? वॉज देयर एनी सच मोमेंट?
Yes, like just before JEE main session 1, I was a little demotivated. So I started interacting with teachers. So my teachers helped me to motivate
अच्छा.
myself.
ओके. अभी के टाइम पे ना इतने सारे डिस्ट्रैक्शन आ चुके हैं ड्यू टू स्मार्टफोन एंड सोशल मीडिया एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स. हाउ डू यू मेंटेन कंसंट्रेशन ड्यूरिंग सच पीरियड?
Yes, actually I was a hoster, so I escaped from the distractions from cell phones. But
अच्छा,
for focus while studying or in doing anything, I suggest determination again for in doing
ओके.
the thing you want to do.
So as you're mentioning your determination again and again, everyone does it at the base, like, but with time their determination वो कम होते जाता है. तो how do you stay consistent for your determination?
I felt like a game. I felt JEE exam like a game, and maybe that helped me.
Okay.
I don't know.
So you gamified your preparation. What method you use to revise the previous topic?
I prepared a short notes for almost all the topics, so it helped me a lot while revising anything.
Okay. What was your motivation for IIT?
I just wanted to excel in the subjects MPC, and I just felt like a game and wanted to win it like that.
Okay, so you are gamifying everything. You are making it game and you want to be the winner of the game. Is that the thing? अच्छा. After your JEE advanced paper, do you knew that कि तुम्हारा single digit rank आने वाला है?
I felt that I gave my best, so I was happy and maybe
You were
confident.
satisfied with your
Yes,
performance?
yes.
अच्छा. But during the result, when you actually saw that AIR2 beside your name, what was your reaction? What was your family's reaction?
Yes, they are extremely happy and excited.
And what about your brother?
Yes, he was also very happy.
So we have finished our first segment of interview regarding your JEE prep. Let's start something funny. If you could travel to any period in history, when and where would you go?
I'd go to some time like Dwapar Yuga or something. I just wanted to see if it is really the true or something myth.
Okay, you want to seek the truth of gods.
It's like
Okay. And what will you do if you wake up as an opposite gender?
I'll just enjoy the interaction with the other people. Sorry,
Okay.
my friends and
Okay, got it. And if you could have any celebrity as your college roommate, who would it be?
maybe Allu Arjun.
Allu Arjun. Okay. What is the worst habit of your roommate?
He sleeps late he watches phone a lot in the night.
Acha. Okay. If you could be CEO of any company, which company you will choose?
Tesla.
Yes. Okay. And any fictional character you want to date?
No. Well,
Okay. We can skip this question. If you could have conversation with any historical figure, whom will you choose?
like conversation.
Yeah. If you want to speak any.
God's Lord Krishna or
Okay. Yeah. If मेरा भी यही आंसर होता है. I also wanted to speak Krishna, but I don't think we will get a chance. And again, okay, we are doing time travel again. If you could travel to future, what is the one question you will ask to yourself?
I ask, what is the one question I ask to myself in the
yourself.
future?
Yeah,
Okay.
to your future version.
Did you really enjoy the life till now or
Acha.
just spent like that?
Okay. Do you enjoy memes? Do you know memes?
means I'm just starting to use Instagram. I
Okay.
don't know.
Acha. What will be your reaction if a girl asks you out?
First I'll be shocked and maybe agree.
Okay. What is the silliest thing you have ever done to impress someone?
I try to impress my teachers.
Acha.
So I asked silly doubts. Whatever doubts I got, I used to ask. But there were very silly doubts. And
If you could swap lives with any celebrity, who would it be?
celebrity like maybe Elon Musk.
Elon Musk. Acha. If you could communicate with one animal species, which one would it be and what would you talk about?
Maybe blue whale.
You will.
I just,
What will you speak about?
how is the water life? Maybe very silly.
Okay. Okay, we are into the final round of our interview, the quick fire. What is the one advice you will give to your younger self?
Just I would advise to start interacting with people more.
Okay. Who had the biggest influence on your career?
My elder brother advised me. Maybe he is the
Acha. What is the one tip for someone who is looking for success?
determination.
Determination again. Okay, I think determination is one thing which completely tell us about your preparation and your JEE journey. What does the first and last hour of your day looks like?
I would be sleepy early in the morning and also
Okay. If you lost everything, let's say your fame and everything is gone, your AIR 2 rank is gone, but you have your skill set, what you will be doing in that case?
I just live,
Your
just be as I am right now.
So it will not impact you a lot.
No,
And do you know about quotes? People quote something like believe in yourself, some sort of that kind.
quotes.
Out of all the quotes you have came across in your life, which one stands out the most to you?
There was something, but I think I forgot.
But as you have mentioned determination many times, I think believe in yourself is something
Something
suits you. Okay. And any last piece of advice or anything you want to share to aspirant watching you? All of them consider you as their idol. Anything you want to share them?
Take help of your teachers very much and believe in them. They will help you a lot.
Okay. So thank you so much, Surya Teja, for accepting our invitation and joining here. Thank you so much for watching our video up till now. Bye bye. See you soon.
सो गाइस सूर्य तेजा से अपन ने तो ढेर सारे बातें करी और इससे बात करने पर ना मुझे एक बात तो पता चली कि ही वॉज कम्प्लीटली डिटरमाइंड इन हिमसेल्फ एंड आई वॉन्ट ईच वन ऑफ यू टू डू द सेम. ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ ना यू कैन डू एनीथिंग. द लाइव एग्जाम्पल इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. मैं वो बंदा था जिसको ढंग से बातें करना नहीं आता था. कैमरा तो छोड़ो, मुझे लोगों से ढंग से बातें करनी नहीं आती थी. टुडे आई एम डूइंग इट बेटर. सो आई हैव मच टू इम्प्रूव बट आई एम गेटिंग बेटर. दैट इज वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू. सो बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, यू कैन डू एनी थिंग. एंड वन मोर थिंग कि मुझे क्या लगता है कि जेई रैंक 1, 2, 3, AIR 1, 2, 3 ऑल ऑफ देम आर इक्वली टैलेंटेड. ये बस उस दिन की बात होती है कि कौन कितना लकी रहता है. बिकॉज कुछ कंसेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जिनको वो केमिस्ट्री वाले रिएक्शंस या ऑर्गेनिक टर्म्स याद है, उनसे वो क्वेश्चन हो जाते हैं. तो इट प्रीटी मच डिपेंड्स अपॉन लक टू. सो इट्स माई ओपिनियन. आई विल बी हैप्पी टू नो योर ओपिनियंस टू. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स कि आपका क्या ओपिनियन है इस चीज़ पे. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट डू टेल मी कि आपको कौन सी वीडियो चाहिए इन फ्यूचर. बिकॉज नाउ आई एम कम्प्लीटली योर्स. आई हैव जस्ट कम्प्लीटेड माई प्लेसमेंट्स एंड नाउ आई विल बी मेकिंग वीडियोज़ फॉर यू. बाकी इंटरव्यूज भी आप देख सकते हो टॉपर स्टॉक एपिसोड के. सो सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. बाय बाय. आई लव यू ऑल. थैंक यू सो मच.